Well, fall harvest at St. Mary of the Woods brought out families from around the Wabash Valley. Today was Fall Farm Day. Festivities included a hayride, demonstrations on fiber spinning and weaving, as well as a tour of the farm, which has been up and running since 1840. Staff at the White Violet Center used this afternoon to educate families on the importance of sustainable farming.
Having an opportunity for people to come out and see, learn not only her style of farming, what was common in her day, but also to know how we do things now in organic and sustainable agriculture is something we want to share with people of the Valley.
The White Violet Center has also welcomed a new member to the alpaca family. Baby Ruth spent the afternoon frolicking around and visiting with folks eager to meet her. Super cute.